Ninjas, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiffany Rosenbaum and I am a full-time work-at-home mommy and part-time reseller and YouTuber. So in today's video, I'm going to talk with you guys about my sources for my HBA products that I do sell on eBay and why or why not. So you might want to go with either of these companies. And so the two companies that I want to talk about today are Wholesale Ninjas and Dealz. So I have done several unboxings for both of these companies in the past, and both of these companies sell products other than HBA, but I do prefer HBA products. They're quick and easy and consumable. So let's go ahead and dig in. So I have some notes here, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the pros of both companies just in general. So both companies provide a low cost per item, and when you're trying to flip items for a profit, you obviously want to keep your cost of goods low. And so both companies have a low cost per item. Both companies have new or mostly new items, shelf pulls, that type of stuff. And so with new items, obviously your return rates are going to be lower. You don't have to worry about selling defective items or anything like that. And both companies have a quick shipping time. Now, I am closer to the wholesale location for the warehouse location for Dealz. It's out of Kentucky, and so with me being in Indiana, it's just one state away. I get it relatively quickly. Usually, if I place my order for Dealz in the morning, I will typically have it 2 business days later. Wholesale Ninjas, I believe it's been a while since I've ordered for them. They usually ship within, I'd say, 1 business day, and it comes pretty quick, but I'm not really sure where their warehouse location is. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about Wholesale Ninjas specifically and some good things that Wholesale Ninjas has just by themselves. So, well, not necessarily good things, but just general characteristics of Wholesale Ninjas. So with Wholesale Ninjas, you don't have free shipping unless they're running a promo. So you do have to pay for shipping, and depending on if you're getting a pallet or a mixed lot, the shipping price will vary. It goes by weight, and I want to say typically shipping is going to be about $25 for the small lots. Again, it's been a while since I've ordered from them, so don't quote me on that. But it also depends on your location from them. If you live farther away, obviously it's going to cost more. If you buy a pallet, it's obviously going to cost more depending on if you do their pallet breakdown service, where they don't actually send it to you in a pallet and you don't have freight shipping. They send you individual boxes by USPS or FedEx or UPS. But yes, their pallet breakdown service, they ship you a bunch of individual boxes. It's much cheaper when you're buying a pallet that way than buying a pallet that has to be delivered by freight truck on an actual pallet. That not all of their pallets qualify for the pallet breakdown service. It will show on their website. So that is shipping. You always have to pay for shipping unless they're running a promo. To me, I feel like versus Dealz, the profit that you can make on the HBA lots with Wholesale Ninjas is lower than the items that you're going to get from Dealz. There's still room for profit, but it's lower dollar value items. Like, I would say your average profit for the items are going to be anywhere from like $3 to $10 profit. I mean, obviously some items are going to be higher than that, but the typical value is lower on your profitability on these items. The cheapest lot that you can get from Wholesale Ninjas is right around $200, and they go by, their mystery lots go by how many items you want in it. So it's like 100, I think 200 items, you know, upwards of that. And your price per item gets a little bit lower the higher amount of count lot you get. So if you're buying 1,000 items, your price per item is going to be lower than if you're buying only 100 items. So if you're brand new, just starting out, I don't know if you can see him or not. He's eating, but this is my, you know what? I'm not going to turn it. This is my big boy. He's my prince, so maybe you'll see him. So yes, if you are just starting out and you don't have a whole lot of money to start out, the lowest possible lot that you're going to get for Wholesale Ninjas is right around $200 for 100 items, HBA. You can also choose HBA just in general or with cosmetics and one without cosmetics. The one without cosmetics is going to be a little bit higher price point because the cosmetics, you know, your profit points, that's going to be sometimes your $2-3 profit per item. Again, I had mentioned promos. They do have discount codes that you can use. If you have popular YouTubers you like to watch, like Lindy Glenn, always has coupon codes for Wholesale Ninjas. Harry Tornado has had one. So some people you find doing unboxings, they will partner with Wholesale Ninjas to give discount codes, and so sometimes you can get promo codes that way to use on your items. And mostly beauty items in your HBA lots, I have found. So it's going to be like your makeup, your skincare, your lotions, that type of thing are going to come. In a lot of your mixed HBA lots with Wholesale Ninjas, you're not going to find as many supplements unless it is around like flu season. Then you'll get a lot of cold medicines, but not so many supplements. Okay, so now let's get into the attributes about Catch and Deals. So what I have found when I buy the Catch and Deals HBA lots is it is mostly supplements. And I'm not just talking like cold medicine. I'm talking like actual supplements that you would find in the supplement aisles at the grocery store or at like GNC. All right, my new buddy here, it's Prince. Say hi. So yes, I get mostly supplements, and I have found that the profit range per item on my Catch and Deals is a lot higher than the Wholesale Ninjas items because of the fact that you are getting more supplements, and supplements can get kind of pricey. So the profit margins I have found per item in my Catch and Deals boxes are higher. Granted, you still get your very low profit margins items like your chapsticks or your like typical Colgate toothpaste, but those are break-even items, and I sell those kind of items locally in my Facebook groups because they do better locally than they do obviously selling on eBay where you're having to give free shipping and you're making zero money. Catch and Deals offers free shipping on, I think it's any order over $50, and the lowest dollar like mystery boxes is $75. So like your barrier to entry is very low, your cost per entry, because you know you've got $75 lots with free shipping versus minimum $200 lots with Wholesale Ninjas. So I do prefer Catch and Deals because of that reason. So not solely, but because of Catch and Deals free shipping. I don't like paying shipping. I'm one of those people who just really does not like paying shipping. And there is sometimes a discount code. Sometimes they'll do like Memorial Day sales or something like that. A lot of times though, their mystery boxes do not qualify for the sale, but sometimes they do. And so the way I have found to get those discount codes for Catch and Deals, they do have a mailing list, so you can join their email list and get their coupon codes. That way when they do run promos or follow them on Facebook, they do a lot of lives on their Facebook or following their website sometimes as well. And so they do sell things other than just HBA. My bathing suit mystery box came from them. They do also sell jewelry, sometimes DVDs, sometimes just random clothes or shoes. They have a lot of different mystery boxes, but their HBA box is a box that they sell typically year-round. Sometimes they do run out of stock, but it doesn't take long for the stock to be back on. So if you go on one day and they don't have any up, check the next day. There's very likely that they could be up the next day. And I have not personally gotten one of their $125 lots because I have seen a lot of people say in the past that they have found that the $75 boxes have higher quality products. Now, I did buy two $75 boxes a couple of weeks ago, and I felt like they shipped me a $125 box instead. I mean, it was 2 different boxes, but they were taped together. But I found that those items just weren't as good a quality as I had received in the past. However, I did just sell 1 item today from one of those boxes, and that 1 item alone sold for $92. So it's hit or miss with the items as well. So those are really just the different attributes about each company. Each company is great. They have really good products. To me personally, I prefer Catchin' Dealz because I don't have a lot of capital to invest, and because I find that just I get more bang for my buck, I feel, for the Catchin' Dealz boxes. You know, it's free shipping. It gets to me very quick. I don't have to invest as much money, and I just get higher profits, I find. Now, I am curious to see in the future, Wholesale Ninjas does have a, like, you can buy brand new case-packed items from Target, and it does come with their pallet breakdown service. And so I'm really curious about getting one of those. Maybe I will talk hubby into getting one around a little bit closer to Q4 for Christmas time. My husband is starting to get into reselling with me, so I'm looking forward to that, something to do with him. But either company, again, is good for different things. I have gotten that $250 ring, well, no, $500 ring from Wholesale Ninjas. But almost everything else that I got from that Wholesale Ninjas lot that ring came in, I still have on hand. Like, it's hard for me to move those items. So I have not gotten another Wholesale Ninjas lot since, but I do want to get one of those case-packed pallets. So if you're looking for HBA, I mean, it really just depends on what kind of money you have to invest. Lindy Glenn does really well. I feel like if you have a lot of money to spend on Wholesale Ninjas, you get better deals when you are spending more money at once. So that would probably be good company if you are able to purchase like 1,000 items at once type of thing. But for me and my finances and my family and my timing, I really do prefer Catchin' Dealz for the bulk of my inventory HBA wise. So if you guys really liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps the eBay algorithm. And if you want to continue seeing videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. We are looking to grow as much as we can. Jacob did want me to remind you guys that once we hit 190 subscribers, which we're not that far away, he's going to make us another great picture to show you guys. He loves to draw, he loves to color, and he loves YouTube. So let's get on there so we can see his picture, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!